This is going to be a video tutorial on how to update all apps at once using the terminal in Fedora. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To upgrade all of your apps at once using the terminal in Fedora, first thing you want to do is open up the terminal, of course. As you can see, I have my terminal opened up. Next thing you want to do is type the command sudo dnf upgrade space -- refresh. The DNF is the package manager used in Fedora. The upgrade tells DNF to upgrade all installed packages, and the refresh tells DNF to check for the latest package information from the repositories. I'm going to hit enter. It'll ask me for my password. Type in your password, hit enter. Now I haven't updated this for a long time, so I'm probably going to have quite a few updates. Depending on your computer speed and how many updates you have, it could take several minutes. I'll come back to you when it's all finished. Okay, it's giving me a little update here. The transaction summary. It's installing 14 packages, upgrading 789 packages, and replacing 792 packages. It asked me, do I want to continue? I'm going to type Y and hit enter. And it is all finished now. That took the better part of about 12-13 minutes, but I had almost 1,600 packages to upgrade. But that is how you update all apps at once using the terminal in Fedora. Thanks for watching.